Hey guys, it's Brad Killgore here from America's Best Shops. I've got another tip for you today, and this one just makes it really clear and concise of how to solve this issue. I talk to a lot of shop owners and they're like, hey, I'd like to get some video footage from my shop or give tip of the day or show a success story of what we're doing here at the shop, whether that's custom work or satisfied customer, or like I say, you're just telling something, answering a question that your ideal client may be asking, like how much time does it take to do XYZ repair or XYZ upgrade, that type of thing. And so if you think about it, it's an excuse we all have. So I'm on a mission this year to produce as much content as possible. And I think one of the big things to think about is honestly, we can shoot a video on our phone or on our laptop very quickly. It might take me a solid minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes tops to record this actual footage. From there, I can use different AI tools to add my logo or to edit out some of the ums and ahs or add an intro video. And some of these things I can have pre-made and ready to go. So I have, let's say some of these things I've taken a little time to set up. I'm using some of my AI tools. So let's say step 2, producing and editing, let's just say it took me 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. All right. So it took me maybe 2 minutes to record, 3 to 5 minutes, we'll say 5 minutes to edit and produce, and then really upload to my social or upload to YouTube, Instagram, wherever I'm going to put it. There's some tools that will, again, shortcut these types of things where I can get it up and published within another minute or less. So that's not a lot of minutes if you think about it. So if you were to just give yourself some goals to say, hey, I'm going to get this done. I'm going to make this happen. I'm going to take the time. Again, there's some really cool apps that work right on your phone. So let me know if you need some help or some ideas, and hopefully this is helpful for you and your business.